Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about subnetting part 2. Part 2, in previous videos we have gone through it about finding a network address. Network, how many networks we are looking, those networks we have find out the calculation, dividing in networks. Now based on the host we are going to calculate it. Earlier we worked with the network requirement. Now we are going to work with the host requirement. Okay, let us take a scenario. Part 2. We are going to discuss in part 2 scenario 1. In the scenario 1, let us take a public IP address 216.21.5.0, which is class C address. By default, subnet mask we all know 255.255.255.255.0. These three are network part. This is host part. Now, first scenario, first case, we need to determine a host and then we need to convert into binary. In this scenario, I need 30 hosts per network. I need 30 hosts. Earlier we seen how many networks we need it, but here we are going to discuss about I need 30 hosts. Based on the host, we are going to divide the subnetwork. Earlier we have decided how many networks we want. Now we are going to divide a subnet, going to do the subnetting based on the host requirement. I need a 30 host per network. Okay, let us do the calculation. Determine number of host and convert to binary. The calculation almost similar, but only one step it will get differ. Let us do that. 30 is my requirement. Same formula, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now here I need 30 host. 30 host in the sense 1, 1, 24, 28, 30, 30, like this, rest all 0. So how many bits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits we have reserved. This is a similar way which we practiced for finding a network. For networking subnet, to divide a networks also we will do the same formula. Here also we are going to do same thing. Now we found that 5 bits we need it. Now we have found the 5 bits. Now let us reserve the bits and find the increment value. Second step. Reserve bits and find increment value. Let us do this. 255.255.255.0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is what we do usually for network also. Same way we'll do it for host. Now our calculation is for host, right? Host, we are going to host. This is our last part is host. So I need 5 bits for host. So let us make a host 0 0 0 0 0. 5 bits for host. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm doing it in reverse. Earlier we used to do like this 1 1 1 1. Okay, for finding and calculating network. Since it is a host, I am making a host as a 0. Host part as a 0. So rest of the parts 1 2 3. 3 ones. I make a 5 bits which we determined that 5 bits I am making as a 0. From last I am putting 1 2 3 4 5. Rest 3 octet value I am putting as a 1. So let us find a subnet mask for this. 255, 255, 255. For this 3 ones, what is the value? 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. If we add these 3, it will come as a 2 2 4. Now we found the subnet mask also, and then what is the CIDR value? 8, 8, 8, 3. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 3, 27. Now we found the CIDR value also. We found increment value. Increment value is 32. This is increment value 32. See here, whatever we got the bits, we put from the reverse 0, since it is a host bit. So we have done it from reverse 0. That 5 bits we make as a 0. When we are finding a network part, we made from here like this. But in host part, we are putting in reverse manner. That is 5 bits as a 0. So after that, now we got increment as a 32. Increment value as a 32. Now let's do the third step. Third step is incrementing the value. First subnet 216.21.5.0. Second subnet 216.21.5.32. Third subnet 216.21.5.64. Like that it will go. So now for this starting IP is 1 to 30. 31 is a broadcast IP. Here 33 to 60 to 63 is broadcast IP. Here 65 to 92, sorry, 94, 95 is broadcast IP. Like that it will be keep on continuing. Okay, now each network will be having 30 valid IPs. Exactly what we required, same we got it here. So one more easy formula to identify it. How many hosts are there? Total, how many bits in the IP? IP is a 32-bit address, correct? In 32-bit address, we are /25. Then remaining 32 minus 5, 32 minus 27 is a 5. 2 power 5 minus 2. We can call this 2 power n minus 2. Whatever value is coming, that value is a how many valid IP address. To find a valid IP address. Valid IP address or valid IP host, whatever. Here we put a 2 power 5 minus 2. What will come? 32 minus 2 equal to 30. We will get a 30 valid host. See, this is a formula to identify how many valid hosts we will get in one network. Based on this network, this is /27. Already we have calculated, which is a /27. /27, 32 minus /27 will get a 5. N power 2 power n, 2 power 5 minus 2. 2 power 5 equal to 32. 32 minus 2 equal to 30. This is finding host value. Now, finding a network is again easy. This is a class C address. Class C is a 24. By default network address is 24. Remaining part is host. Now we got a new subnet mask is 27. 27 minus 24 equal to 3. Now 2 power n, this 3 if you put 2 power 3 equal to how much? 8. We'll get 8 networks. This is a formula for finding a network. This is the formula for host. This network. We'll get 8 networks. If we continuously going like this, we'll get 8 networks in this IP pool. Hope this video makes you clear much about how to find how many hosts in the network, and then based on the host how to determine do the subnetting. Thanks for watching Net Talks Tamil. Please like it, share it and subscribe it.